Hey y'all, it's been so long since I've done a video. I figured this was a perfect time to do a skincare routine video because I had big bags underneath my eyes from a couple of days of no sleep. And it's okay, we're gonna do drugstore and we're gonna eventually get to here. Baby, okay, come on, let's get started. Alrighty, first things first, we are doing a little bit of dermaplaning, and by a little bit, I mean a lot of it because my face is super hairy. I love this Billie Dermaplane Kit. It is only 12 bucks and the handle is super comfortable. I personally like to use a moisturizer that is water-based on my face because I have sensitive skin, and it just helps me with my heavy hand not cut open my face because I'm good for that. You already know I'm rocking the Clean Skin Club cloths. Oh my gosh, they're so amazing and you can throw them away. We are now starting to do the dermaplaning. The most important thing about this is taking your time and to also make sure you're holding it at the correct angle based on your own face shape and just how your skin bounces back and relaxes and all of that fun stuff to the razor so that you don't cut yourself open. I am super heavy-handed and I would probably say I cut myself maybe only like once or twice a year. So you need to just get that angle right, and from there, you'll be good to go. I like to use the moisturizer as not only a barrier, but also as a way to see what I have or have not done yet. Because if not, I'll just have big patches of random hair on my face. I like to dermaplane everywhere on my face. I have so much hair that grows from my hairline and it will try to touch my brows if I let them. So I have to get that area over there, as well as those thick sideburns that honestly I could have taken off a little bit more, but anyways. Anyone else still listening to GNX? I cannot stop listening to the Kendrick album. It's just so good. Like, come on, get sturdy. I'm obsessed with this Cirkul cup. I found it on Amazon and Walmart, and you put flavored cartridges in there and it's just amazing for your water. Really important to hydrate yourself from the inside and out. And I have like 100 flavors of them. They last for like 6 full cups, and yeah, they just work for me. I love them. I'm always laughing when it gets to my mustache because why so thick? Look at all that hair on my face, guys. This is only for like 2 weeks. Like I skipped 1 week and my hair just grows so fast. Anyone else hairy, like hairy girl problems, for real. Now that we're nice and hairless, it's time to get on to my face scrub. I really like this one. It's like a charcoal based one. Again, another thing from Dollar General. These products have been really giving my most expensive products a run for their money, and they're so affordable. I just love it. I've had this Clarisonic Mia 2 for forever. I think like 6 years now. Still up and running. I charge it maybe once every 2 months. So love that. Definitely worth the $100 if you can bug it out, because you just won't need to buy another one for a long time, except replacing the heads. Also, make sure to hit up that neck as well. I feel like the skin on the neck is just as important as your face, really all of your skin. But a lot of people focus on the face and never get around to their neck. And that's why y'all be looking, oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Like, is that Peekaboo might be my favorite song. Alrighty, now we're starting to get all of this off. I definitely could have taken off more of my sideburns, but we're ignoring that. My skin looking nice and fresh. So amazing. We're gonna get into high frequency wanding now. I like to put a light oil on, which I forgot to put on here, but just a very, very light, faint one. From there, I've only been putting this on about a medium setting. You can go as high or as low as you want. The benefits for this is that it reduces acne, improves skin texture, tightens your pores, boosts collagen production, increases blood circulation, and my personal favorite, promotes lymphatic drainage. I am so big about reducing lymphatic drainage. Like, you cannot hear me talk about massaging enough. I do it all day. Now from here, I'm doing my actual real moisturizing. That oil is there. I like to put on a toner spray and then also like to put on my moisturizer. And I make sure to lay this on nice and thick on my neck as well as my face. I do a little bit of massaging too in the meantime because it just feels so great for me. Make sure that jawline popping out, baby. And then I like to seal it all in with some sort of Aquaphor. I have the spray, I have the Vaseline, I have the lip, I have it all. I love Aquaphor, and I think it's the most important thing for my skin. Lastly, I like to put on a little oil onto my brows because I'm trying to regrow them out, even though they're looking really crazy right now. That's what I want so that they look good when I get it threaded again. And that's really it. This is all drugstore affordable, mostly drugstore affordable things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.